Very good morning to everyone. This is A. Shubhangi Rao, working as an assistant professor in Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at MLR Institute of Technology. And in today's session, we are going to discuss about self-inductance and mutual inductance. So what is self-inductance? Self-inductance is a property of a coil or conductor by which it opposes a change in current flowing through it, right? I'm repeating. Self-inductance is a property of a coil or conductor by which it opposes a change in current flowing through it. And this happens because the changing current produces a varying magnetic field, right? Which induces an EMF in the same coil. And this is according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, right? So if you want to write it in the form of formula, L is self-inductance, L is equals to phi by I, where phi is the flux and I is the current flowing through the coil, right? If we talk about the induced EMF in self-inductance, it is given by E is equals to minus L di by dt. Okay, it can also be written as minus N d phi by dt, right? So in place of phi can be written as Li. So ultimately this formula becomes E is equals to minus L di by dt, where E is the induced EMF measured in volts and di by dt is the rate of change of current in ampere per second. So this was self-inductance. Now let's discuss mutual inductance. Mutual inductance is the property of two coils which are placed close to each other. And what is that property? Where a change in current in one coil induces an EMF in the neighboring coil. Change in the current in one coil will induce an EMF in the neighboring coil, and this happens because the changing magnetic field from one coil links with the other coil. And the formula is M is equals to phi 2 upon I1, right? Where M is the mutual inductance, phi 2 is the magnetic flux linking with the second coil or neighboring coil. And what is I here? It is a current in first coil. So what we are saying, mutual inductance, it's a property. And what is that property? When there is a change in current in first coil, there will be induced EMF in the second coil. And that induced EMF is given by minus M di by dt. Minus M di by dt. How it is coming? Phi 2 is equals to M I1. So again, induced EMF formula is same, minus N d phi by dt, but here in place of this phi, we are writing M I1. So it formula becomes E2 is equals to minus M di 1 by dt, which is nothing but this phi 2. And then if we consider, it will be number of turns, right? So this was about self-inductance and mutual inductance, and I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you so much.